friends, welcome to my cooking channel Cook Without a Book.
Today we will make yet another Malaysian recipe, ayam percik. To make ayam percik, I have taken 550 grams chicken. I couldn't get chicken with skin in the nearby market, so I am using skinless chicken, but chicken with skin is preferable. Slit the chicken so that the marinade penetrates deeply. To make the marinade, we will need 2 stalks of lemongrass. Cut it into small pieces so that it will grind well. It gives very nice flavor to the chicken. Take 4 thinly sliced shallots. They are also known as sambar onions. If you don't have shallots, then you may use half a cup of red onions. 10 garlic cloves, salt to taste, and 1 inch ginger. I am using 2 green chilies. Usually there are no chilies in this recipe, but most of us like little spicy chicken. That's why adding these green chilies. You may use red chilies or chili powder. After grinding it finely, I will marinate the chicken with this ground paste. Smooth paste of marinade is ready. Adding this marinade to the chicken. Oil and vinegar makes chicken soft, so add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Rub this marinade nicely to the chicken. After that, cover and keep this chicken in the marinade for at least 1 hour. In the meantime, we will make coconut sauce. To make the sauce, take 8 thinly sliced shallots. Take 1.5 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon salt, 1.5 inch ginger, 1 teaspoon anise seeds, yani saaf or badi shop. Grind these things to fine paste. Here I am adding in the mixer shallots, sugar, salt, ginger and anise seeds. I will grind it. Nice smooth paste is ready and I will use this paste to make a coconut sauce. Add this ready paste to a hot pan. Fry it for 2-3 minutes and then add a cup of thick coconut milk. Cook this mixture on low heat until it becomes thick. If kept on a high heat, then mixture may curdle or split. Add little bit of corn flour paste to this mixture so that the mixture won't split. I have used 1/4 teaspoon of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of water to make a paste. Once the mixture thickens and has dropping consistency, switch off the heat. After the mixture cools down, add 1 teaspoon lemon juice. We are going to use this sauce for basting the chicken. Here I like to use lemongrass leaves as they give very good fragrance to the chicken, but this is optional. Use all the marinade to cover the chicken. I am also adding lime leaves for extra flavor. Usually this chicken is cooked on the charcoal grill in the open air, but you can make it in the oven too. Preheat the oven at 250 degrees centigrade using grill function and then keep the chicken in the preheated oven. After 15 minutes, one side of the chicken will turn brown. Remove it from the oven and discard lemongrass and lime leaves. These leaves were used to give fragrance to the chicken and the work is done, so we will remove them. I am applying the coconut sauce on the chicken. Then turn the chicken and apply the coconut sauce on the other side too. Again keep this in the oven on a grill function to brown the other side of the chicken. Within 10 minutes, the other side has become brown and I have removed the chicken from the oven and I am applying the coconut sauce again. Cover this exposed bone of chicken with aluminium foil so that it won't dry from this point. Keep this chicken in the oven on the bake function at 250 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes in the oven on the bake function, chicken has become very soft, but we need some crust on the top. That's why keeping it again in the oven for 5 minutes. Now a brown crust has formed and we will plate it. This is some extra sauce in the baking dish. This sauce has lots of flavors in it, so don't throw it. Either apply it on the chicken before serving or serve it separately. If you want to cook it on the gas, for that, take one pot, add little salt to it, place one stand on the salt and a plate on that stand. Preheat this pan on medium heat for 5 minutes. Then place the chicken on the plate and cover the pot. After 15 minutes, turn the chicken and apply some coconut sauce to it. Cover and cook for another 30 minutes or until the chicken becomes soft and turns golden brown in color. Garnish this delicious chicken with sesame seeds and serve hot. The taste and flavors of coconut milk and lemongrass makes it very rich and tasty. The ayam parchik is ready to be served.